July 23rd card opening. We have our background back in the garage, still organizing, but did our two super short prints. Pulled the Trevor Rogers, bought the CJ Cron. Have a nice Oswaldo Cabrera chrome and an Ellie De La Cruz chrome. We're going to continue opening clearance Walmart gallery. This is last year's gallery and maybe the last ever gallery, I don't know. Fire and gallery are supposed to hit the theme, which is kind of frustrating. Having a retail only was kind of nice. So we got 7 packs. Gallery is one of those where I didn't really hit it all that much. I think I pulled better cards if there's J-Rod right away. Printer proof. Bryce Harper. Juan Yepez. Bregman. I pulled better probably Fire. I got that nice numbered Spencer Torkelson auto. I'm not too sure what printer's proof is 1 and 2. So nothing too fancy here. Joey Votto and Bryce Harper. Harper being the cover boy. Don't see Stadium Club anymore. Those went really quickly. Kyle Tucker, Tatis, Matt Verling, Aaron Judge. Card all over. Slowly looking to organizing last year's rookies. About halfway through. And I have not spent much time in here. It's too hot in here, to be honest. There's Jake Burger foil, Buster Posey, Jake Myers, Clayton Kershaw. Burger's foil is again 1 and 3. Got a new wave coming here. Wisdom, Modern Artist Green. It's a Soto Heavy. Out of 250, Modern Artist. We got a numbered card out of the blaster. Pujols, Colt Welker, Seth Beer. Yeah, there's no way to cool in here, and it's just hot during the summertime, so I really have been avoiding in here. Wintertime, I spent a lot more time in here. Vice versa, it was cold. And a Strider. So, I guess what it boils down to is this is not ideal. Weather standardizations. Okay, let's start with the highlights. Spencer Strider, Colton Welker foil, Seth Beer, printer proof, Juan Soto at a 250, Jake Burger, Joey Votto, Bryce Harper, and J-Rod. That's for gallery box. Not too bad. Really? Yeah, I guess not too bad. You take care.